our 6 weeks adventure, travelling in our caravan, heading from Brisbane to the Great Ocean Road in Victoria, and then on to South Australia, and stopping at different places on the way. Hi everyone, welcome back to Weekend Adventures. Today's leg of the journey, day 34, took us from Scone to Uralla, a 226 kilometre stretch through the heart of New South Wales. After 34 days of hitching up the van, boy still loves his new gadget. We are back on the road again, leaving Scone Caravan Park and passing through town. It was mostly driving today, but we spotted something interesting just outside Tamworth. Heaps of cars at the showground, so of course we stopped in for a look at the Tamworth Caravan Camping Show. Why not? We had a quick wander through the show to see if there's anything new, then popped into town for a quick walk down the street. We hit the road again and made our way back to Uralla, a town we passed through at the very beginning of our trip. This time we stayed at the Uralla Showgrounds, peaceful and quiet and surrounded by a paddock full of horses. Dinner was at the Top Pub. It's a friendly, tasty and has a classic country charm. And that was day 34. Day 35 and 36. Today we'll be continuing our journey back towards home, from Uralla to Coffs Harbour, with beautiful waterfalls and a beautiful drive down towards the coast. Day 35 was a rest day at the Uralla Showgrounds, a peaceful break with some friendly horses keeping us company. Uralla is such a great little town to visit. It was actually a gold rush town in the 1850s and was the hideout of the famous bushranger Captain Thunderbolt. Day 36 we packed up and hit the road yet again. The showgrounds was a great place to stay at just $25 a night, a bargain. Before we left we stopped at the Uralla Bakery, home of the best egg custard tart. Heading towards Coffs Harbour, we travelled down the New England Highway, then turned off at Armidale onto the Waterfall Way. The Waterfall Way in New South Wales is a scenic drive stretching from Armidale to Coffs Harbour, famous for its national parks and stunning waterfalls. Our first stop was at Ebor Falls in Fawkes River National Park. A quick look at the beautiful waterfalls before heading on. This whole region is shaped by ancient volcanic forces, which explains the cliffs, the gorges, and those massive boulders that seem perfectly balanced in place. The road stretches about 185 kilometres from Armidale to Coffs Harbour, winding through the Great Dividing Range and connecting the New England tablelands to the coastal plains. Then into the town of Dorrigo for a Devonshire tea. Fresh scones, jam and cream, perfect. Next up, Dorrigo National Park. We visited the Skywalk lookout with stunning views across the rainforest. Back on the Waterfall Way, we pass Sherrard Falls and Newell Falls, right beside the roadside. No walking required, just drive by and beauty.
then through the arty town of Bellingen, where we stopped at the butter factory for a quick look around. Back on the M1 highway, and we finished the day at the Big 4 Caravan Park in Coffs Harbour. So that's it for day 34 to 36, from country charm to rainforest walks and coastal views. Thanks for joining us on the road. Hit subscribe to follow more of our adventures. Tap below to watch the full playlist of our 6-week journey from Brisbane to South Australia.